The Shingleton and Hat Creek Railroad offers several passenger services. The top of the line service is the El Gato Verde, the Green Cat, a train dedicated exclusively to passengers. It runs in the morning and in the afternoon, connecting passengers to Shingleton, El Gato, Tin Cup, and all the stops in between. The El Gato Verde has just picked up passengers for the morning run. Later, El Gato Verde is seen heading to the High Line. And here it is, crossing Hat Creek. The Shingleton and Hat Creek also operates a mixed train with both passengers and freight service. These trains run midday with pickups and deliveries of freight cars with a combine for passengers and their luggage at the end of the train. Here the mixed freight is coming from Meeker towards Pagosa Junction to drop off the combine, deliver the boxcar, pick up the combine again, and then continue the run. The mixed train is slow because of the cars being dropped off, but it does give passengers transportation in the middle of the day. The Shingleton Creek also has 2 galloping geese. Goose number 7 is a combination for less than carload shipments, as well as a few passengers. This run is used to supply small shipments to merchants, as well as dropping off campers and other passengers in areas inaccessible by road. Here, goose number 7 is arriving at El Gato. And is then seen going to Aurora on the High Line. Goose number 5 is exclusively for passengers. It is used every day to transport the miners to and from the Wynot Mine, as well as the Captain Jack Mine. Goose number 5 is approaching the Wynot Mine. here it's heading to the Captain Jack Mine. Goose number 5 is also used for Shingleton and Hat Creek tourist excursions. These excursions offer passengers sights of the Los Animas River and other parts of Colorado never seen except by rail or hiking. And of course, this service brings in additional revenue to the railroad. As you can see, passenger service is a big part of the operations of the Shingleton and Hat Creek Railroad.